Hi everyone, today I'm working on our next Python video and I wanted to kind of give you a behind the scenes look at what that process is like. This is actually a really fun series for me to edit because it involves live action video, some animation, and some screen capture where I actually write some Python code and record the screen as I'm writing the code and then edit it all together using some fun sound effects and things like that. So today I'm working on a video about random walks. Here, I'll show you a few of the different parts of this video to give, and also give you an idea of what goes into editing each part. So all our Python videos open with a live action summary of what the video is about.
Variety is the spice of life, and walking is good exercise. If you combine these two things, you get a random walk.
So this is kind of a sci-fi themed series, and this just kind of sets the stage for what the video is going to be talking about. And then next we jump into the actual content of the video. And in this one we're talking about random walks. So instead of going straight to Python code, we actually give a little brief animation to show what we mean by a random walk.
Suppose you live in a city where the streets are arranged in a perfect grid. You decide to go for a walk. At each intersection, you choose your next direction randomly. Your 4 choices are north, south, east, or west.
And if you look at this, you can see in our video editing software, we use Adobe Premiere, that there's a lot of different video layers and audio layers. That's because all the different parts of this to make this animation work are in different video layers. And then if you listen to the video, you can hear lots of different different sound effects happening at the same time. And after the brief animation showing you what a random walk is, we then actually dive into writing some Python code to compute random walks and use that to answer some interesting puzzle.
Import the random module. We will call our function random walk, and the input n will be the number of blocks to walk. Write a short doc string describing the purpose of this function. Your position in the grid will have an x and y coordinate.
So here you can see I'm actually typing the Python code, and at the same time I'm recording the screen as I do that. And then I have to synchronize the narration of the video with the video. So I have to go through and kind of stitch those together, and that's kind of like the third part of this process. And once I've done that for all the different shots, I put them together to get the final video. And so this video today on random walks is going to be about 8 minutes long. And I've been working, I started yesterday and I'm about halfway done, but hopefully I'll be able to finish it tonight and I'll be releasing the video tomorrow. Now this is a fun topic. It actually gives you an application of the random module. It's one thing to just show you some of the random functions, but it's another to actually use them to solve an interesting problem. And here the puzzle is, if you go for a random walk in the city, let's say, you know, you just, you're a bit of an absent-minded person. When you go for walks, your mind wanders and you don't really know where you're going. And you walk for a certain length of time. And if you're 4 blocks or fewer from home, you'll just walk back home. But if you're too far from home, you might call an Uber or call a friend to pick you up and take you home. And so the challenge is to find what's the longest walk you can take so that over half the time you'll just go ahead and walk home. So this video should be done later tonight and we'll be releasing it on our channel tomorrow. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.
We work with a new intelligence. We have the technology. Machines work faster than we do. They don't sleep.